Hey everybody! So today I'm going to be making a lit up ashtray and I am using the Tea Expert resin along with eye candy 14 karat gold mica, and I have about 8 ounces of resin with 5 scoops of mica that I put in there, 5 little spoonfuls. So I'm mixing that all up. And now I'm brushing on some black mica from Temu that I have. Making quite a mess in the process. Now I'm using my alcohol swabs and just cleaning all of that excess mica off of my mold in the areas where I don't want it to be. I'm adding the fairy lights, so I'm just doing those in a circular fashion around the bottom portion of the mold, which would be the top of the ashtray. Now that I have that in there, it's time to pour in my resin. So I have my resin mixed with the 14 karat gold mica mixture, and I'm just pouring it around the sides and then on top as well. Now it's the next day and I am just pouring some more resin on top to finish that off. Okay, I am gonna demold this lit up ashtray. Let's see how it looks. Curious, get a little more light in here. Okay. Okay. Now let's turn this over. Ooh. Oh, it looks really pretty. Very pretty. Actually, I could just do a little UV resin on the side there, but look how cool that looks. Very nice. I like the black mica almost looks brown, so it's kind of cool with the gold. Let's see, and we got the lights. Awesome. Oh, somebody's gonna love this one, I think. It's really pretty. Alrighty, very cool. So here, I just made it so the lights went around the sides here. not on the bottom, but just on the side. And then it just sticks out on the side here. And all you have to do is hit the button, turns off, flickers, or stays on. So let me know what you think in the comments, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.